Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Today I'm gonna show you how to change wall switch. Step 1. The power from the main circuit box must be turned off. Step 2. The old wall plate is removed by unscrewing it. Step 3. Before continuing any further, make sure the power is off using a circuit tester. Make sure the old wire are in good condition and that you understand their configuration. Step 4. The wire and the new switch attached in the same configuration as you remove them. Step 5. Please make sure the switch upside down direction is in the correct direction. Screw all the wire back in the switch and tighten it with screw by using a screwdriver. Step 6. Screw the new switch back into the switch box. Turn the breaker box back on and you are ready to use your new switch.